Hey, good morning, students. This is Mrs. Kramer. It's Saturday, May the 9th, and we're having to move cattle from one pasture to another. So we do what's called cross fencing. So we have the cattle eat, I'll show you where they came out of, eat the pasture down to the ground, and then we're going to move them to fresh ground where they can eat that pasture down to the ground. That gives the opportunity for the pasture that we took them out of to grow back, and the sun will kill any bacteria that's there, and the ground will become like fresh ground for when we need to move them back the next time. We do the same thing after the cows have calved. We move them to fresh ground, every 15 to 30 days, depending on how fast they eat down a pasture, and we have pastures that are different sizes. So we're actually letting them graze as we take them down the road. I hear one of my neighbors, so I'm going to go back up to the top so they realize we're moving cattle. So they'll know they can still go through. Oh, it's Russell. He's bringing cows into his land. But I'll keep this on for a minute. Good morning, Russell. How are you? We're good.
Down the road, huh?
Yeah, they're not happy in here.
A couple of them in the road when I come around over there.
Yeah, we've got hay down by the creek, and they're not eating hay. They don't want the hay. So that's right. I don't blame them. So we're moving them. You can go through them.
I brought some up a while ago, and the fence wasn't doing nothing. I just hooked it up a couple days ago, and it was hot as could be, and now it's dead.
Now it's dead.
So I think the fencer is bad, so I'm putting another fence.
Another fencer up. We had some trees blow down on some of our fences during all this wind.
Right.
So
Yep. I noticed even Mark Boland over, he comes through on that gravel road before you get to Dover.
yeah,
That big shed that put that whole corner of his tin over, he's got to put back over. You know, it's a big old tree stuff down, he flipped it over.
yeah, that's it. It was stronger than what we needed.
Yep. See you later.
Bye. Have a good day. Hey, how are you this morning? I'm good. We're just moving them from one pasture to another. So if you can drive through slow, because it's going to be all the way up by Ham's house. I'm just bringing up the drag. We're just going to let them mow as we go. Yep.
Well, I'll drag along with you.
All right. I'm just videoing them for my ag. I've got a group of ag students at school, so I'm showing them our kind of cattle drive. You can go on. Have a good day. Hey, 222, let's go. Come on, girl. Shh. They like this green grass, guys. It's like steak. If you like steak, I like steak. So I'm going to turn the video off for now, but then I'll turn it back on. Shh, come on, girl, let's go. I'll turn it back on as we get to where we're getting them into the pasture. They move pretty easy. They're pretty gentle. That's why we've raised our own.